Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Sonata cabin air filter. First, ensure you have a new cabin air filter, which is crucial for this maintenance. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver to help with some clips. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. To begin, open your glove box and remove all its contents to give yourself ample working space. Next, locate the small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and gently detach it. Then, carefully press inward on the two stopper tabs, one on each side, allowing the glove box to swing down further. With the glove box lowered, you will see the cabin air filter housing. Unclip the two fasteners on the housing cover and remove it. Carefully pull out the old filter, paying close attention to the airflow direction arrow. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Finally, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring it clips securely into place. Lift the glove box back up, re-engage the stopper tabs, and reattach the dampener arm. Changing your cabin air filter regularly helps maintain excellent air quality inside your vehicle and keeps your heating and cooling system running efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.